Everyone. Not sure if I mentioned this before, but the only PMD that I've been using quite often after the ban and everything is actually my Onewheel. Been cruising around and trying to master some tricks. So today, I'm gonna show you some of my 180 that I've been doing on the Onewheel. Just a disclaimer, the Onewheel is extremely dangerous. There is one Facebook page that shares with everyone all the Onewheel crashes, and it is gruesome. Very, very gruesome. And the funny thing is, I don't know how these people actually share these pictures, right, in a very candid manner. I mean, it's not your regular kind of, oh, I fell down, you know, these are some scrapes that I suffered. We're talking about broken bones, bones jutting out, people having metal attachments and stuff. It's really quite gruesome, but the fun that the Onewheel brings, it's really out of this world. So as you can tell, it's actually quite difficult to do the 180. I'm still a little bit shifty. It's a bit of 50-50. Sometimes I can get it, sometimes I cannot get it, because it is you need a bit of finesse, and I must agree that I haven't dedicated enough time to mastering the 180. There are times that I've fallen off, and given my old bones, I just want to be really careful and make sure that I don't injure myself. But anyways, my Onewheel, I'm on the, let me see. There are a few modes. So we've got the Sequoia, we've got the Cruise. I'm currently in the Mission mode. There is still Elevated, Delirium, and Custom. And if you realized just now, you saw me tipping towards the front. I've got these things installed on my Onewheel that I find quite helpful. You see these things in the front, these wheels? Yeah, these are called the fangs. It's supposed to help you if you there's this thing called the pushback. It's actually Onewheel telling you to slow down, but there are some people that just get carried away and then you just press on, and when the board goes down in this manner, you know, at least it can still roll on the fangs. So that's what these are for. So as you can see, when I was doing the 180, I actually went all the way down, and this would then help me mitigate the friction, because if I don't have it, then obviously I would just fall forward. If you search on YouTube pushback, Onewheel pushbacks, those are the ones that actually result in very serious accidents. So that was me trying the Onewheel, and then I also wanted to share with everyone, I made another discovery. How is it possible that people can edit 4K footage on regular old MacBook Pros? And I'm having a Mac Pro. Went on YouTube, you know, the go-to for knowledge, and I found out that Final Cut Pro X, you can actually edit in, you can actually import the clips and transcode it into this thing called proxy media. Oh my god, totally mind blown. The workflow has improved. Some of the clips, when I actually import it, you have no idea. I put in so much effort in trying to edit some of the video clips in 4K. I fall asleep at my computer table because I need to wait for it to load, and then when it buffers, the frame will drop. With Proxy Media, my workflow literally increased by like 20-30 times. I am such a noob, but hey, you learn new things every day. And today, just sharing with you guys my Onewheel 180 spins. If you can suggest any improvements for all the professional one-wheelers out there, drop me a comment, let me know how I can improve the technique. And until then, you guys take care. Bye.